Okay, again, this is the take two of this part. So I did this earlier, but I stopped because I messed up with saying that these are parallel, not a transversal line. So again, earlier I said angle 3 can be solved by adding 62 and 68 and subtract it from 180, which will give us 50. That's why our answer is 50 here. Then next, since this is your parallel lines, this line here would be your transversal, and 68 is corresponding to angle 8, which means that corresponding angles are always congruent. So your angle 8 is 68. Then angle 8 and angle 9 are linear pair, which means that they are supplementary angles. So therefore, 68 should be subtracted from 180, which will give us 112. Now, using these parallel lines and using this as your transversal line, we can say that angle 8 and angle 7 are alternate interior, which is equal to each other, which means that angle 7 is also 68 degree. And I'll put it here. Okay. Next. So if this is 68, this is also 68 because they are vertical angles. Now, if angle 6 and angle 68 forms a linear pair and they are supplementary to each other, 68 should be subtracted to 180, which will give us 112. Or we can say that angle 6 and angle 9 are corresponding angle. That's why angle 6 is 112. Now, we can also say that angle 7 and angle 1 are corresponding angle, which means that angle 1 is also 68 degree. And angle 6 and angle 4 is also 112 degree. Now, if this is 112 and this is 18 degree and this forms a right triangle with angle 5, we need to add these two and subtract it from 180. So 112 plus 18 is equal to, subtract it from 180 will give us 50. So your angle 5 is 50 degree. There you go. If that's 50 and this forms a 180 degree because they are linear pair, so this is 130. Now, we're getting this because we're targeting to get angle 12. So if this is 112, this part right here or this angle right here would be corresponding to 68, so this is 68 degree. Or they are linear pair and they are supplementary, that's why this is 68. Now, if this is 130, this is 68, this is 112, we can now find angle 12, which it says that a four-sided polygon has an interior of 360 degrees. So we need to add 130 plus 68 plus 112 is equal to 310. Subtract it from 360. The answer is 50. So angle 12 is 50. Okay. Next. Yikes, I forgot to put the angle measure of what we already solved. So angle 5 is 50. Angle 4 is 112. What else? What else did we solve? Angle 1 is 68. Angle 12 is 50. Angle 6 is 112. Did we solve angle 2? Not yet. Actually, we can solve angle 2. This is 50, that's 68, so we need to add these two and subtract it from 180. So 68 plus 50 is equal to 8, that's 11, so subtract it to 180 will give us what? 62. So this is 62 degree. There you go. Angle to 62 degree. Okay. Okay, next. Angle 6 and this empty angle here would be vertical angles. So they are congruent. So this is 112. And again, we form a four-sided polygon. So if this is 112, this is 68, this is 85, which means that we need to add them and subtract it from 360. And that's 265. Subtract it from 360 will give you 95. So angle 11 is 95. All right. So angle 11 and angle 10 forms a supplementary angle, which is a linear pair. So 180 minus 95 is equal to 85. So angle 10 is 85. Now angle 13. Okay. Angle 13. Here. So angle 13. We're still missing this part. So we need to find like this is a linear pair. So 95, so that is vertical angle, so we won't be solving anymore, so that's 85. So 68 plus 85 is equal to 153. Subtract it from 180 will give you what? 27. So angle 13 is 27 degree. Ooh, I'm sorry. 27 degree. There you go. I hope I explained this well. So again, this is the actual live solution or work for this part.